Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put the battery in your SJCAM SJ8 PRO. You can see I have the battery right here, and to put it in, take your camera and open the door at the bottom. On the bottom you'll see this door that you need to slide out, and don't be scared to apply enough force to slide it out, then it'll open itself. And now make sure to align the pins. You can see there are 3 pins, and the 3 pins here are on my right side, so let's put it in correctly. Also there's this arrow that says camera front. You can see this is the camera front, so let's put it in, then close the door. Now you can turn the camera on. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.